Hi there. Haven't seen you for a while. Do you want to come in and grab yourself a drink? Actually, I'll go and make you one. I was just tearing apart this crash helmet. I wore it for 6 months, so I thought I'd give you a good review on why I would not buy this crash helmet again. But more about that later, after we've gone through what the specs are of this lovely crash helmet. Looks wonderful, doesn't it? This is a very long-winded name. It's a Nitro NZ302 fighter helmet, and this one is in the chameleon blue purple. So you've got your coffee, your drink, yeah, your tea. Welcome. Thanks for popping in. What it says about this crash helmet on the advert. It says under the description, let's go to the specifications. It's a Street Fighter motorcycle helmet, fully removable chin guard, peak is removable, custom designed multi-polymer tech MPT, and it's certified up to ECE 2206. Now, that sounds like it's going to be a good crash helmet. It's very lightweight. In fact, I don't know what it weighs, but it's definitely lighter than my ABG. And realistically, there's not much where you can get the information. The visor's removable. It takes 3 screws to remove it. Once you've removed this, make sure you've tightened them up very well, because otherwise they do tend to vibrate loose. It does have a drop-down screen, which is manually from a little lever on your left-hand side. It has a fully removable padded lining, and it also has indents for speakers, which is why I'm tearing this apart right now. I need to get the speaker kit back out of this because I need to use it in a different crash helmet. But that's another story. But why am I not going to recommend buying this helmet? Well, that comes down to a few little details that really aren't put out over the advert. And in fact, I didn't even see it till I saw the error of my ways and took the chin vent off and read the little text that's inside it. Okay, so there's my speakers out for my cardo. I'll put the pad back in so I can wear this crash helmet should I feel like I want to take the risk. Yes, I'm supposed to be looking at the camera and not what I'm doing, and that may well be the case that, I'm putting this here. So the good things about this good things about this crash helmet is it does have very quick release front. Yeah, so you can have it as an open face crash helmet with the visor up or down, but that is the only visor you're going to get. It is the dark visor. So one of the cons about this is if you get stuck or you get caught out late at night and you need to do 70 miles an hour, that visor down in the dark, you can't see anything. You would also get pulled by the police if they were there. So you need a screwdriver realistically to get the peak off. So you can't do it without tools, although you can this. However, this, guys, is the reason why I believe they should have something in the literature or the advertising to say why this is bad. With this on, you'd expect this crash helmet to be the same security as a full face crash helmet. However, on the inside, in text, and it's the only place I found it for the entire packaging, does not protect chin from impacts. So this isn't going to help you should you have an accident and land on your chin. So why have it on? Why not just have it like this? And then you know the fact that it's not a full face crash helmet with it on. So this is just plastic. The interesting thing is the vent switch isn't on the outside. It is on the inside, and I am trying to get this so it'll zoom in and check on at least one camera. And you will notice that the vents are all taped up. So I don't get wind noise on my camera. And my my headset, which is no longer attached to the inside of this at all. And let's see what else we can get off this. It has got plenty of vents, so the fact that it's got more vents than most crash helmets, and yet it's pretty much an open face lid. So I don't quite know. Let's have a look. Look, nice shiny black and red interior. This is a medium. It has the normal buckle for quick release. Some people don't like those. The micro ratchet strap, very quick to release. It's very comfortable. The liner's not uncomfortable to wear. And this is a sub £100 crash helmet. And I suppose for a sub £100, you probably don't expect the chin guard to be a security feature. But I wish they listed it somewhere just saying it was a cosmetic enhancement rather than a security device to make you think that this actually turns into something that it doesn't, because it clearly doesn't turn into a full face crash helmet. I'm just going to have fun again pulling this off because it's glued on and the glue does not want to go. So, welcome to Cardo. There we go, got it. So that's my entire Cardo out of that crash helmet. But so I said, the speakers do fit. They're quite recessed, they're nice, doesn't hurt your ears. Goes on very nice, very comfortable, very lightweight. But would I buy it? Not for the road, and not for the security that I felt that it gave me. It's very, like I say, very comfortable to wear, very lightweight. It's no noisier than another cheap crash helmet. It's no noisier than the AGV, which again I have replaced for this year. So we'll see what happens. It's lovely the fact that the main camera has just decided that it's going to quit on me. So, guys, if you can, buy the best crash helmet you can afford. And if a £99 crash helmet is the most you can afford, go and see your parents, a friend, somebody. Buy a crash helmet that costs a little bit more. You've only got one head. It can't be protected by anything else when you're riding a motorcycle. Do better. Nitro and the stores that sell it, please list the fact that that chin guard, this chin guard isn't a guard at all. It just stops flies going in your mouth. We'll call it a day there, and thanks for dropping in. And hopefully this quick, nasty and dirty review of this Nitro crash helmet is of use to somebody, or somebody takes notice and buys a different crash helmet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.